The heart is deceitful and desperately wicked. The heart of man nowadays. The heart of man nowadays. Nowadays. Tell me something, my youth. You know no reverence for God. Oh, you want so bad. You're going to the church and bust out the woman marrow. Nowadays, the heart of man I get colder till them all a kill all pitney wearing a stroller. You know, say Jamaica gone to the dogs. Yet people blame the government for the wickedness of the land. Government must provide jobs and them a fight against the ghetto youth. But tell me something, some of them youth they tell you saying they want job or education. And they say evil. Them youth are pre nowadays. Them want fast money till them all a sell them soul and move funny. Tell you about the heart of man nowadays. Crime can always be a national crime unless we the people take some form of responsibility. You woman will always a run and go there with gunman. You not only are putting the life in a danger. It's only a matter of time before him turn the gun upon Uno and the family. Because the heart is deceitful and desperately wicked. Because the heart is deceitful and desperately wicked. That's why you have to be careful of the people them where you call friends. Because they will laugh with you and kill you in the silence. Because they can see a man's face, but they can't see his heart. Only God alone can change the heart. No Zozo or police can patrol can help us in this time.